Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today and have given a sharp bounce back. I'll be expecting a good bounce back till the 6000 levels or 6020 levels, which is a 61% retracement of this entire fall, which is in the 5-wave decline pattern, and a good retracement would be a wave B or wave 2 on the upside. Momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting this momentum indicator to go up till at least the zero line, the middle line, and then turn negative, because the medium term outlook is still negative, and I'll be expecting 5650 in the medium term outlook. But in the very short term, I'll be expecting markets to bounce back till 6000 levels. On the hourly charts, Nifty has broken this downward sloping trend line with very sharply, and it has bounced very sharply. A small flag pattern had formed here in the first half of the trading session and has broken out of it. So overall the bias is positive in the short term for a target of 6020. Momentum indicator on the hourly charts is on the buy side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Bank Nifty has also been bouncing back from this crucial trend line of this head and shoulder pattern. I'll be expecting Bank Nifty to form a right shoulder over here, bounce till at least 12,600, 12,650 levels, and then give us a sell signal on the downside. The momentum indicator has given us a buy signal here. I'll be expecting a good cycle on the upside and then giving a sell signal where it will form this right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. The support should be around 12,330, 12,200. Resistance would be around 12,520 and 12,600. 12,600 is the target in the short term. Stock specific action has been seen in Tata Power. Tata Power is expected to bounce sharply till 20 daily moving average or the 40 daily moving average. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so a good bounce is expected in Tata Power. Support would be around 95 and 93. Resistance would be around 99 and 102. 102 is the 50% retracement of this entire fall which we saw in last 1 month. The second call would be on M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra, where it has been forming a huge triangular pattern on the daily charts. I'll be expecting this triangle to break on the upside with supports around 887 and 874. The resistance would be around 920 and 950. 950 would be our final target in the short term. The momentum indicator is already on the buy side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. So overall friends, the short term bias is positive for a target of 6000, but the medium term bias is negative for a target of 5650. So the strategy should be to sell and rise where the where we are expecting markets to top around 6000 levels, 6020 levels, which is the 61% retracement. So in the short term, bias positive and for a target of 6000. Thank you so much.